What's up, YouTube? We're doing a rear brake pad replacement on the Q50 Red Sport with upgraded sport brakes. So we're not much just gonna have to drive this one. Whistle, put a horsepower. Anyways, yeah, so we're gonna swap them out because she's getting a high-pitched noise on them already. We're going with the original OEM. Los Acabonos, algo así. So here's the part number. Go check it out. That's it right there. The OEM. And y'all make sure y'all check out my merch. Got some new merch out. A ver, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo se mira? Eso, hijo, eso, mírala. So yeah, make sure y'all check that out. Check that out on my website. Let's get on with it. Then, ya que no lo quisiste hacer. Hate these little covers on these things. Y'all see how it's got the little cover on there? I should take them all off. See, these don't have it. This is done. You ven?
No.
Get that little cover. I gotta be swapping out the turn around it.
¿Quieres que lo hiciera yo y luego voy a batallar?
No, eso está fácil. Yo te iba a guiar, pero no lo quisiste hacer. So, no importa. ¡Sas! ¿Me quedó? Voy a ver la herramienta acá, perra. La herramienta no pueden hacer nada. Batallan. Surcos. Alright, de este lado. Y así va a estar la cosa. Look, all this comes off right here, so I'm gonna clean it up real quick. Oh, ya se me está acabando. Just brake pad cleaner. Huele bien rico.
No.
A mí se me hace que esta era la parte que estaba dañada. Los brake pads que estaban ya worn out. So it's super easy to remove. Right here inside. Aquí adentro, a ver si miran, tienen esos little pins, cotter keys. 1, 2. So that comes out. So salen. Con los niros no salen. Miren. Ese y el otro. Alright, after that comes out, and if you lose them, it's okay because they give us new ones. Ya luego uso un punch. El punch. To push the pin out. See right there? Push the pin out, comes out over here in the back. Push it all the way through. ¿Ya ven? Ahí está. Y ahí lo dejo colgado. Para no perderlos. Just not lose them. They're just dangling. Alright?
Oopsie.
Then that piece comes off. Should have held on to it. The same thing happened on the other side when I swapped it out. But it's okay. And then I'll use a screwdriver just to push the cylinder back in. You don't need it. Pura mano. If you're strong enough, you can do it. Nah, you don't have to be strong enough to do it. So you gotta push the pad in on both sides for the pistons to go in and be able to take out the pad. See? Then you take out the pad. Bam. Simple as that.
Siento que es el que se estaba escuchando más.
And then, see, simple as that. Pads out. All right, get the new ones. Remember which one we took out? This one has a little thickness. This is the noise actually it makes whenever the pad is too low. So, see, we're still a bit good on there, but they were already making noise. So that's the only reason we're swapping out. So that piece goes on the back side. And then the other piece goes on the front side. All right, and these they come with anti-seize, and they come with new pins, which is awesome. These are factory. I think they were $100. This is what she paid for them. But you get an OEM braking power. All right, so now we take our our little spacers. We got to put them on our other pads. Los quitamos. Bien. Los quitamos. Viejos. Alright. The new pad, we're going to put some anti-seize on the back side. We don't want any noise whenever you're braking. Just a small light coat on there. Then you're gonna put your shims. Wow. Put it on there. I see. Yeah. All right. Put your shim on there. Here's the top part. It has a way of going, you know, si no entra, they won't go in. So you got the wider side at the bottom and the smaller side up on top. Y ahí quedó. And then just finish applying your anti-seize to it. And you slip it back in. So make sure it'll go all the, you gotta wiggle it in, and then pa que entre, so it can go all the way in. It's not, it's gonna lock up in place. All right. You do the same thing with the other side. Small coat, light coat of anti-seize. Then you got your shims to put on here.
Necesito un baño y listo.
Alright, wiggle it in. See how it drops all the way down? Alright, wiggle it all the way down. Ya entra. Then you put your other piece on. Goes in like that, just to hold them in place. And see, as you're putting it on, you have to make sure you line up these holes, leave them on top so you can put your cotter pins in. Alright, you're gonna have to lift it up a little bit. Ahí está. And make sure it goes through the actual bracket, because that's actually what holds it down. You see, it's got to go through the top. That other piece goes at the bottom. Ya entra, goes all the way in. There it goes. Same thing with the other one. Make sure you line up the hole so it can be on top for easy access. You push the bracket down, go through the bracket, wiggle it, and there it is, all the way through. Alright, now your new cotter keys. Got them over here. I think mine moved on me whenever I was pushing it in. I might have to push it back out. There it is. Póntela acá. Para que miren allí. Mire, you see a little hole right there? Bam. See? Push it in, locks in place right there. And the same thing for the bottom. There it is. Push it in. Sas. Simple as that. That's how easy it is. And brake pad's done. Mira, y pues anda ahí bien feliz con la mera maromera. Ni la quiero sacar because it gets dirty. Yeah, make sure you check out my website. Subscribe, like, share. Yeah, comment below. Here pretty soon I'm gonna start giving out some stuff and see what's up. Catch you on the next one.